We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you shown me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain got in my way before, pouring like a waterfall.
Hey guys, so this morning I didn't actually talk in my vlog. I didn't want to like get stuff done before I started talking too much, because Lord knows I talk too much. I really wanted to do kind of like a day in the life where I showed you like things I don't necessarily always show in the vlog when I vlog. Not that I have been a lot lately. So I just kind of wanted to give y'all our morning experience. So every day of the week Jackson has classes. This morning was his sports class. We have, when he wakes up, if you're new to my channel, he sleeps with us halfway through the night, or he just starts in our bed half the time. We bed share. It's just what works for our family. He has his own room, he has his own bed. When we want like adult time or alone time or whatever, he falls asleep in his full-size bed in his room. But eventually at some point in the night, if he can't touch me, he will wake up. If he can't feel mama, he will come in our room and get in our bed, and we're fine with that. That's just what works for our family. Every family is different. So this morning he was obviously already in our bed when he woke up. When he wakes up, he usually just wants to cuddle, and then he'll get out of bed. And then we come downstairs, and his chore, because I'm trying to teach him responsibilities, like little responsibilities that he can do for his age. He's 2 years, 4 months. He just turned 2 years and 4 months old. He's 2 years old. Like, my kid's 36 months. No, he's 2, but he's like still kind of newly 2 in my eyes. So I give him the responsibility of feeding the dogs, and of course I supervise and like help him if he needs it. But he likes to feel like he has responsibilities, and he like loves coming downstairs and feeding the dogs. And then also after he eats, especially breakfast, he always uses his learning tower and puts his dishes away. And of course this morning I didn't film that because sometimes if he wakes up later than usual, we will get a late start to gymnastics, and so I will give him fruit while I get ready in the mornings. And then on our way to gymnastics, I'll get him like 4 blueberry munchkins at Dunkin'. He doesn't actually like donuts except for munchkins, and the cake. Well, if it's like blueberry, the cake, the actual donut, the blueberry donut, he'll eat that. It's like, what do they call, like a cake donut? But he'll eat that, or it's donut holes, and that's it. Like if he eats other stuff, he'll take a bite off the top, and then he'll tell you too much, because he doesn't like things that are too sweet. So also didn't vlog that because I don't ever vlog in the car with him. I just, even if it's like mounted, I just don't, for safety reasons. I don't know. So, all right, now we're at home. my house is a mess. I feel like I should name this something like Day in the Life, Stay-at-home Mom Dealing with Renos. I don't know. I am going crazy right now with this closet reno. It's the last thing we're doing ourselves. Everything from here on out is going to be a contractor. We did all the stuff that would take longer that we'd be doing ourselves first. So once the contractor's done, the house is done. With the exception of we still haven't decided if we're going to paint some of the rooms ourselves, which would mean I paint because I'm the painter in the family. As you can see, the samples that I need to paint over tonight because they're driving me crazy. Now that we picked a for sure color, I want to get rid of all the samples until the room's painted because the swatches everywhere are like bothering me now. So we did go to Torrid because this is, y'all, I haven't vlogged in a while, so this might be like a long talk, but we're going to Disney World after the holidays. So I saw they had a sale, I had a coupon, and then I saw that they had a sale, and what else was it? Like, I don't know, they had a bunch of Disney leggings. So I did go in there and I had to order online because they didn't have any of the Disney leggings in the store. So I just ordered through them and they gave me the store sale. And then I'll just pick it up whenever it comes in. I feel like I gave you a good overview of my morning. So a lot of Jackson's baseball class I don't record because when they're actually running drills and teaching them to catch and different kinds of exercises and activities that build like their baseball and soccer skills, I have to be like really involved in that and help Jackson. So I don't really film that, but basic things like stretches and running the bases, I could show you guys. So my house is a mess. It's giving me anxiety. I don't do good when we do something like a master closet because all the clothes came out, all of my bags, shoes. I had a dresser in there. We emptied that into laundry baskets and we sold off the dresser. Justin still has a dresser, so his clothes aren't in laundry baskets except for the hanging stuff. It's on the bed. But that will be sold once our closet system's installed. It's really hard. It's harder than I thought it was going to be for me, like mentally. I know that probably sounds really weird unless you have anxiety and you suffer with OCD. I mean, like truly suffer with OCD. I'm not saying that in a passive, oh, I'm so OCD way. It's just like really hard and it gives me anxiety to see like boxes and laundry baskets and stuff everywhere while it's all pulled out. Our master closet's huge. I'll go up and show you guys after I finish this. So much anxiety and like panic seeing that stuff sit out and I can't do anything with it. So I shut down and I just leave the house. Like we've been gone all week. Like I've been keeping Jackson busy and out of the house, and like my kitchen sink and like the stuff over here has just gotten so dirty to me because when we come home, it was like, okay, nap time. I gotta start my part of the renos. I did all the demolishing, ripping out of everything, and I did vlog that for you guys. It's gonna be like one whole video where you see the closet and end results and everything in one. And then Justin's laying the floors and doing all that and putting the system in. So I've really just been like ignoring this because I just shut down and I panic and I get anxiety, and then I feel like literally like I can't do anything. I don't know how to describe it. It's like when I go in a flare, and I'm usually the one that stays on top of the house, and I can't. I go into a fibromyalgia flare, and then I see it like this, and then it makes me panic, and it gets like worse. I don't know how to describe it. If you suffer, like a lot of people think OCD is like, oh, I'm just so OCD, I have to clean it right away. But there's like a lot of mental stuff involved where your brain can actually get overwhelmed and shut down. Not just that, but I also have intrusive thoughts that come with OCD, and it's a lot to handle. So anyways, my house has gotten like that, and I wanted to keep this day in the life just like real, raw, and honest. Like not everyone's house always looks perfect. And though most of the time mine is extremely picked up, sometimes it gets like that, and that's just real life. And if somebody's gonna act like they're perfect all the time, well, they're not. Nobody is. It's just life. So anyways, all right. I'm gonna tackle these dishes and stuff.
Remember when you told told me you believe in something, and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim, and come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones, and be wild, 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 wild.
Okay, so we're gonna paint this. Who are we making this for? Do you remember? We can make it for Papa.
My Papa.
We're gonna make this for my dad because my dad.
My Papa.
Yeah, for Papa. My dad. Uh oh, this is hard to open. Hold on,
Papa.
baby. I can't get this. Hold on. Good Lord, they made this. Shoot. There we go. There we go. There. They made it hard, huh? Hold on. There we go. Okay, wait. I know you want to paint and you're super excited. There you go. Just be careful, remember? Oh, you want to hold my hand? That's so sweet.
Do arts.
Do arts, yes. So my dad always draws Snoopy, like this little Snoopy thing on his cards. It's just like his thing. And when we were in Target, Jackson saw this and he started saying, Papa, Papa. Like,
Papa.
yeah, it's so cute that he associates that with my dad now. Good job. So he wanted to get it for his Papa because it's Snoopy. You can pick a different color if you want, baby.
So the arts.
Arts, yes.
Arts. Press it. Press it.
It's perfect.
Get some old white and yellow.
Orange, white, and yellow.
What's that?
See little birdie?
See
What's talking?
blue
Good.
ball. Too big. Press it. Press it. Press it. Press it. Press it.
Okay, so this is the room, and I wish I could just like, I feel like even when I go all the way back here with the camera, you can't really tell how long it is on camera, but like this room is, this closet, it's not a room, is pretty big. And then this is like the nook area. So I don't know, I feel like it just doesn't do it justice on camera. But this is where we're at with the renovations in here. That's all you're gonna see till the video comes out. Look! Look! What, baby? Where's Mickey? Look! Who's that? Who's that? Who is that? Is that Mickey Mouse? Do you like those? Those are some cool wreaths. Mama likes those wreaths. Daddy's coming back. I was like, what is he fussing about? He wanted to look at the Halloween ones. The dragon, you like that? He has a, he's hard to scare. He likes creepy things. That's so funny. I'm over here like, Christmas Mickey Mouse. He's like, Mom. Great job. Do it again? Okay. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Uh-oh. I can't get him. Okay, do the Minnie. Do the Minnie Mouse one. You gotta hold it. Yeah, right there. Turn it towards Mommy. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. No, the other way. There you go. Keep going. You gotta keep going. Keep cranking it.
We do.
This.
Bye.
What is that?
Dinosaur.
What kind of dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
Is it a T?
What?
T-Rex, yeah. What, do you want to see the snowman? No? What do you want to see?
Snowman?
Snowman? Yeah. Is that what the dragon says? Rah. Okay, so while we were out, my phone ran out of memory. So I couldn't vlog the rest of the night, but we went out to eat and we are gonna give him a bath and put him to bed now. And I am not feeling well. I don't know if you can see how rosy I am. I'm super nauseous. And I don't know if you can see, like super flushed because I don't feel good. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually go to bed with him. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.